Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the noisy file and immediately duplicate the background layer. This prevents destructive edits. Convert that copy into a smart object so filters remain adjustable, and zoom to 100% to evaluate grain accurately. Once done, run filter noise reduce noise with a low strength to preview results. Make sure to enable preserve details at modest values. That keeps edges sharp while letting you test heavier passes later without losing original data. You now shift to targeted denoising. Open Camera Raw Filter and raise luminance to smooth grain, then dial color noise down to remove chroma speckles. Balance those sliders while preserving edges. Next, use frequency separation. Apply a low blur to the low layer and a high pass on the high layer to protect texture. Once done, place a layer mask on the denoise layer and paint with a soft brush to reveal details where texture should remain, ensuring natural results. You finish by refining. Apply selective sharpening via Smart Sharpen set to remove lens blur and limit sharpening to edges using a luminosity mask. Compare before and after by toggling the dupe layer. This confirms you didn't oversmooth. Once done, flatten a copy for export and use export as with appropriate quality. If you notice blotches or halos, lower the denoise strength, soften the mask edges, or spot heal artifacts. This troubleshooting step often restores a balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.